3D Experience platform can be connected to various CAD authoring tools. In this case, we'll be using SOLIDWORks. This can be launched directly via a web interface and choosing the app. Similarly, you can log into the 3D Experience platform within SOLIDWORks itself. Upon part creation, directly access any company templates to ensure conformity across the design team. Model creation is a breeze, capturing the details in 2D sketches and using the workflow-specific commands from the toolbar to create the full 3D model. Reference sketches and geometry can be created to ensure the design intent of a component has been captured. Any accompanying full dimension drawings can be created from 3D geometry, with flat patterns and bend tables created for fabrication purposes. Both the 3D CAD model and the 2D drawing can be uploaded securely to the 3D Experience platform, ready for collaboration and sharing with colleagues. Files can be added to bookmarks for quick data retrieval whilst working on multiple projects. The file can be locked to ensure single ownership when editing. All lifecycle maturity can be accessed directly in the task pane, progressing the component through the design process. All accompanying metadata and properties from the geometry can be viewed and edited directly in the CAD software. All this rich data then can be accessed in the 3D Experience platform, assisting with in-depth searching and other attribute filters. So there we have it, running SOLIDWORks integrated with 3D Experience platform. We use revision managed templates and drawing borders, add required attributes and metadata, and uploaded the data to the platform in a desired bookmark. Once in a revision managed environment, we can lock the file to a single user, work under change actions, and push a file through the lifecycle as a design develops.